big, bad, they're loud, they're proud. They are twin cylinder PP racing. 20 laps. These guys are on a big road. Boy, Wachowski in first. Then pulls in on the outside. And King back in third. We're going to put on 20 laps of feature. Now we're down to two. The two big suckers. Looks like we're down to a couple laps left. Where it goes. Ski up there in the lead. Here they go, last corner. Oh, that thing's going to the inside. Can he make it? Oh my God!
Which one got it? Number 2. No. They were even.
Give it to both of them.
We got a photo finish with no photo.
Wow. Hi.
Alright, we're still trying to debate which one won.
That was a really close finish.
That was awesome. You guys need to give those twin cylinders a big round of applause.
I have not
We're racing on purpose like that, though, you know. That's way faster.
Which one's faster?
Guess what? We're trying to figure out which one got it. Tim, it was photo finish.
I was watching him going,
All right, we're still looking. The official camera
I think it was the
here.
outside.
I think the outside got him. I think the inside started pulling, but the outside guy finally caught up to him.
I'm taking these.
Ah, at least it landed.
I think the inside had it by half an inch. I think the outside had it by quarter inch. Okay, here we go. Man, do over.
Yep, one lap.
Yeah, I got a good idea.
Oh, what? Thank you, honey. Thank you very much. That thing was giving me a
Back there and
migraine.
have a drag race.
So I'm glad you went over there.
I got the only piece of
I got fourth out of that. No shade.
Huh?
I got fourth out of that match.
What did I get?
I don't know.
got second.
I got second?
I got second.
Yeah, like your power.
There's only,
Didn't you get third?
I got third. You were ahead of me.
You were third?
See, no,
That's right, I did pass you. You know how many RPMs I was turning? 3490.
I thought it was something. I
I was passing people with.
was passing. I would have passed people, but just didn't have any power. I like corners. It was like.